To purchase products from Hines, Nature 2072, email hinesnature2072@gmail.com.
She'll probably like that. She'll probably like this one. It goes around the neck. The chains, yeah, she probably like that. She'll probably like this little two-piece outfit too. This little two-piece maroon color. You know, there's so much to choose from. She might like all that. She might like this. I don't know. She might like this. That one. So many to choose from. This one is so long I have to. It comes all the way down, drags the ground, so I had to extra clip it up there. It's nice, leaned out. Got some white and black attire. Got some men tuxedo suits. You guys get married, come get a tuxedo from me. Yeah. Pick up location, Lago Mar, Texas City.